Bagare. So in our last video session, that is 1.1, we have seen the points, that is male reproductive system and female reproductive system. So here we are going to continue with our next video session, and that is 1.2, and in which we are going to see the topics, that is menstrual cycle and gametogenesis. So let's start up with our video session. So here, question number 210. The cycle of reproductive physiology in human female is called, and the answer is menstrual cycle. Question 211. Estrous cycle is a characteristic of, and the answer is mammalian females other than primates. Question 212. In human females, ovoproduction is a cyclic activity with a periodicity of approximately, and the answer is 28 days. Question 213. The process of shedding of endothelial lining of the uterus is called, and the answer is menstruation. Question 214. The human female shows menstruation at regular intervals right from, and the answer is puberty to the menopause. Question 215. Menstruation indicates the, and the answer is absence of pregnancy. Question 216. The menstruation phase lasts for about, and the answer is 4 to 5 days. Question 217. During menstruation phase, and the answer is levels of estrogen and progesterone decreases. Question 218. Menstruation is indicated by bleeding through vagina due to, and the answer is breaking of endometrium of uterus. Question 219. Proliferative phase of menstrual cycle starts approximately from, and the answer is 50th day of the cycle. Question 220. The menstrual cycle is controlled by, and the answer is gonadotropin hormones. Question 221. During proliferative phase level of, and the answer is FSH increases. Question 221. During proliferative phase level of, and the answer is FSH increases. Question 222. Which hormone stimulates pituitary to secrete FSH during proliferative phase of menstrual cycle? And the answer is gonadotropin releasing factor. Question 223. During proliferative phase, estrogen hormones acts as, and the answer is constructive to endometrium. Question 224. Release of ovum from ovary of human female is termed as, and the answer is ovulation. Question 225. In human female ovarian cycle, the ovulation takes place specially on, and the answer is day 14 of the cycle. Question 226. During ovulatory phase, the level of, and the answer is LH increases. Question 227. After ovulation in human female, the structure which is formed by the empty follicle is, and the answer is corpus luteum. Question 228. Ovulation in mammals is caused by, and the answer is FSH and LH. Question 229. Longest phase of menstrual cycle is, and the answer is secretory phase. Question 230. Ovum releases from Graafian follicle due to, and the answer is increase in quantity of liquor of follicle. Question 231. During secretory phase, the level of, and the answer is progesterone increases. 232. During luteal phase, progesterone maintains, and the answer is thickening of the endometrium and makes uterine gland secretory. Question 233. The hormone human chronic gonadotropin, that is HCG, is produced by, and the answer is anterior pituitary. Question 234. The pregnancy has takes place, then corpus luteum is maintained by receiving the message in the form of a hormone, and the answer is chlorine gonadotropin. Question 235. In fertilization has failed, then corpus luteum degenerates into, and the answer is corpus albicans. Question 236. When the menstrual cycle does not take place in the aged women, the phenomenon is called, and the answer is menopause. Question 237. Menstrual cycle is regulated by, and the answer is hormones secreted by ovary and hormone secreted by pituitary. Question 238. During which phase repairing of endometrial lining of uterus takes place? And the answer is proliferative phase. Question 239. Which of the following hormone is produced in the human female if a pregnancy has occurred? And the answer is progesterone. Question 240. The degenerative process by which the eggs are lost from the ovary is called, and the answer is asterium. Question 241. In human female, menopause occurs at the age, and the answer is 45 to 55 years. Question 242. Menopause is a stage in female when, and the answer is reproductive capacity ends. Question 243. During pregnancy, menstruation is, and the answer is suppressed. Question 244. Uterine glands and uterine endometrium grows and increases in the size during, and the answer is premenstrual phase. Question 245. Menstruation cycle occurs in, and the answer is uterine animals. Question 246. The shortest phase in menstrual cycle is, and the answer is ovulatory phase. Question 247. Which of the following hormone is active during proliferative phase? And the answer is estrogen. Question 248. Beginning of menstrual cycle in female is known as, and the answer is menarche. Question 249. Cessation of menstrual cycle in women is called as, and the answer is menopause. Question 250. Estrous cycle is indication of, and the answer is breeding period.
Start.
Question 252. The phase of menstrual cycle in humans that lasts for 15 to 28 days is, and the answer is luteal phase. Question 253. Endometrium is lining of, and the answer is uterus. Question 254. Endometrial bed to receive embryo is, and the answer is secretory phase. Question 255. During ovulation, female gamete releases at which stage? And the answer is secondary oocytes. Question 256. The first half of the menstrual cycle is called as, and the answer is proliferative phase. Question 257. Follicular phase is also called as, and the answer is proliferative phase. Question 258. The phase of menstrual cycle that lasts for 7 to 8 days is called, and the answer is follicular. Question 259. Which hormone is responsible for maintenance of pregnancy? And the answer is progesterone. So that's the end of our topic, and that is menstrual cycle. So here we are going to begin with a new point, and that is gametogenesis. So let's start off. Question 260. The process by which gametes are formed is called, and the answer is gametogenesis. Question 261. Male gametes are formed by, and the answer is spermiogenesis. Question 262. Female gametes are formed by, and the answer is oogenesis. Question 263. The head of human sperm is, and the answer is rounded. Question 264. A pair of centrioles are found in which region of the sperm? And the answer is neck. Question 265. Head of nucleus consists of, and the answer is nucleus and nucleolus. Question 266. A chromosome of sperm contains, and the answer is lactic enzyme. Question 267. In which part of human sperm the mitochondria is present? And the answer is middle piece. Question 268. The actual genetic component of the sperm is, and the answer is head. Question 289. Presence of hyaluronidase is characteristic of, and the answer is sperm. Question 290. Majority of mammalian spermatozoa acquired capacitation in, and the answer is vagina. Question 291. Gametogenesis occurs continuously throughout year in, and the answer is man. Question 292. Number of chromosomes in primary spermatocyte of man is, and the answer is 2n. Question 293. How many centrioles are present in human sperm? And the answer is 2. Question 294. Sperms move by, and the answer is tail. Question 295. The human egg is, and the answer is ericythil. Question 296. The polar bodies are formed during, and the answer is oogenesis. Question 297. The transparent layer found around the outer surface of a developing ovule is, and the answer is zona pellucida. Question 298. Human ovum is, and the answer is spherical and non-motile. Question 299. Oocyte is protected up to fertilization by, and the answer is zona pellucida and coronia radiata. Question 300. The membrane investing the ovum just next to the membrana granulosa is, and the answer is discus proligerus. Question 301. Number of polar bodies produced at the end of second menstruation division in female reproductive cell is, and the answer is 3. Question 302. Who first identified ova in mammals? And the answer is von Bier. Question 303. Egg released by the Graafian follicle is surrounded by, and the answer is zona pellucida. Question 304. Human ovum nucleus is enteric called, and the answer is germinal vesi. Question 305. During oogenesis, each diploid cell produces, and the answer is one functional egg and 3 polar bodies. Question 306. Oogenesis consists of, and the answer is multiplication phase, maturation phase, growth of phase. Question 307. The side of ovum which extrudes polar bodies is called, and the answer is animal pole. Question 308. The coronia radiata present around ovum is, and the answer is cellular. Question 309. The stage of oogenesis which enters meiosis for first meiotic division is called, and the answer is primary oocyte. Question 310. The primary membrane in which present around the limnatic membrane is called, and the answer is Bettiline membrane. Question 311. Egg envelope consists of, and the answer is Bettiline membrane, zona pellucida and cornea radiata. Question 312. Spermatogenesis refers to, and the answer is growth of spermatocytes by accumulation of food into the cytoplasm. Question 313. During metamorphosis of spermatids into sperm, which of the following changes occur into spermatids? And the answer is formation of a chromosome from Golgi complex, formation of tail as a motile part, loss of most of the cytoplasm. Question 314. If formed sperms are not ejaculated, then, and the answer is they get absorbed in vasa deferentia. Question 315. A chromosome and anterior half of the head is covered by a sheath called, and the answer is galea. Question 316. Enzyme hydrogenase is specialized in, and the answer is Golgi bodies of a chromosome. Question 317. Head of sperm consists of, and the answer is nucleus and a chromosome. Question 318. A chromosome is a type of, and the answer is lysosome. Question 319. The number of chromosomes in ovum get halved during, and the answer is formation of first polar bodies. Question 320. Limbicorn is a part of, and the answer is human sperm. Question 321. What happens during spermatogenesis? And the answer is mitosis and meiosis. Question 322. The product of the first maturation division of germ cell, its testes, are called as, and the answer is secondary spermatocytes. Question 323. The changes in mammalian sperm which prepares it to fertilize the ovum is called, and the answer is capriciation. Question 324. Sperm tail shows the arrangement of mitotubules which is, and the answer is 9 plus 2. Question 325. Each centriole shows the arrangement of microbills, which is, and the answer is 9 plus 0. Question 326. What is essential for the motility of the sperm? And the answer is axial filament. Question 327. How many sperms and ova will be produced from 25 primary spermatocytes and 25 primary oocytes respectively? And the answer is 100 sperms and 25 ova. Question 328. One of the last events in the transformation of the spermatid into sperm is, and the answer is loss of most of the cytoplasm. Question 329. Sperms are basically derived from, and the answer is spermatogonium. Question 330. Spermatogenesis changes, and the answer is spermatogonium to spermatid. Question 331. The head or mature mammalian sperm is made of, and the answer is large nucleus covered by a chromosome. Question 332. The immediate preceders of spermatids are, and the answer is secondary spermatocytes. Question 333. The spiral shell of the sperm is formed by, and the answer is mitochondria. Question 334. Process of spermatogenesis is under the influence of, and the answer is FSH. Question 335. The initial step to oogenesis occur, and the answer is prior to the birth in the 25 weeks old fetus. Question 336. Oogenia are formed in the ovary, and the answer is before the birth of the female baby. Question 337. At the end of oogenesis, functional cell is formed called, and the answer is oocyte. Question 338. The cells of cornea radiata are glued together by, and the answer is hyaluronic acid. Question 339. Cortical granules found in the egg cortex consist of, and the answer is nucleofolate. Question 340. Fertilizing is a chemical substance produced from, and the answer is mature egg. Question 341. The egg cytoplasm is, and the answer is ooplasm. Question 342. During oogenesis, polar bodies are formed by, and the answer is meiosis. Question 343. Meiosis during oogenesis helps in, and the answer is reduction of chromosomal number. Question 344. The primary oocyte change into ovum by, and the answer is growth and differentiation. Question 345. First maturation division during oogenesis produce, and the answer is polocyte and secondary oocyte. Question 346. Primary egg membrane is secreted by, and the answer is egg cell. Question 347. Secondary egg membrane is secreted by, and the answer is follicle cells. Question 348. Zona pellucida is secreted by, and the answer is ovum itself. Question 349. Cornea radiata is of, and the answer is radial elongated follicular cells. Question 351. Formation of second polar body occurs, and the answer is after the entry of the sperm and before the completion of fertilization. Question 352. With question 353. Polar bodies are developed during the formation of, and the answer is ovum. Question 354. Chemical substance present in the surface of sperm is, and the answer is anti-fertilizer. Question 355. Breaking of a chromosome membrane is, and the answer is agglutination. Question 356. The cytoplasm surrounding the mitochondria found in the middle piece of the sperm is called, and the answer is meninge. Question 357. 5 oogenia yield 10 primary oocytes. Then how many ova are produced on completion of oogenesis? And the answer is 10. Question 358. Those who thought that egg had a miniature organism were called, and the answer is oocyst. Question 359. Vegetal hemisphere of an egg is, and the answer is yolk. Question 360. Synthesis of yolk is known as, and the answer is vaginogenesis. Question 361. The egg in which yolk is uniformly distributed is called, and the answer is isolatical. Question 363. Human egg is, and the answer is elliptical and non-coelodic. Question 364. The eggs of some mammals have more yolk they are, and the answer is protherian mammals. Question 365. Secondary follicle differs from the primary follicle in that, and the answer is the primary follicle has only a single layer of lectin cells around the oogonium. Question 366. Process of gametogenesis is initiated by, and the answer is hormones. Question 367. Which is absent in human sperm, and the answer is ER. So guys, today here we are ending up with the point that is menstrual cycle and gametogenesis. So in our next video session, we will see the point that is embryonic development.